Good evening. Today I will show you to resolve a great problem with Huawei P20 Pro and KineMaster. And watch this. So good evening, my lovely friends. I want to show you here a small tutorial how to resolve a problem with the Huawei P20 Pro mobile phone and my favorite video cut program KineMaster. So I show you here the KineMaster. I'm not sure if you know how to manage this. I will do more tutorials how to use it, but it's really easy. You see here are all my projects which I already uploaded in YouTube, but I make only here a new project, and you have to choose the size of your project. We say here this size, yeah, and then we want to put medias, and here you see from my camera. This is just the camera of my mobile phone, and you see for example here a picture, yeah, no problem, of course all these pictures are compatible, but there is a video here, this one, and you see sorry, it's in German here, the clip has an unknown video profile and cannot be used in KineMaster, and this was a real problem for me. But now I have two new video clips which you see here in top. This one, the first one is with 60 frames per second, and the second one is with 30 frames per second full HD, and now they are supported. And the reason is what I show you now. How to use this program. I want to make more tutorials because this program is really very good, and they even improved it, but for now I only wanted to show it is supported, yes, and you see here it is very quickly, yeah, with the 60 frames per second, yeah, then you can change it down to half velocity, and you even have a wonderful
Dasselbe hier mit 60 Frames.
So okay, how did I resolve this problem? So we go back here, and you see here my camera, and this is my camera here with the video settings. Now when we go here to the video settings, this is the button here at the left side, and you can see size of the video, yeah. Sorry, it is in German, but I explain you here in English. And there I had this Efficienz H265, and with this button selected, now it is selected, you see, the video is not supported by KineMaster, and then I changed it to compatibility H264, which I have now. You see it is selected, and at this moment the video is supported. And it could help you with this problem. For me, it was a big problem. I did not know this, so each one may help the other one. And for all us who are cutting our YouTube videos with the mobile phone, it will be a great help in saving money and time, etc. So when you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and this is especially the playlist tutorials to help other people, and yes, I love you. Until my next video tutorial, your Uwe.